Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Creality CR10 Southeast. Now, this printer promises luxury and speed, but is it the right fit for you? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about build volume. The CR10 Southeast might be misnamed, as it's more akin to the size of an Ender 3 than the massive CR10 we know. With a 220 by 220 build plate, it's compact but still packs a punch. Setting up the CR10 Southeast is a breeze. With pre-assembled components and neatly labeled bolts, you'll have this printer up and running in just 15 minutes. Plus, the included CR touch and pressure sensors make bed leveling a cinch. Now, let's talk about what sets this printer apart. The CR10 Southeast boasts a sturdy build, with linear rails for smooth operation and a reliable direct drive extruder. And with Creality OS, a Clipper-inspired firmware, you can expect top speeds of up to 600 mm per second. But enough about specs, let's see how it performs. The CR10 Southeast delivered impressive results right out of the box. From benchy boats to intricate dragon figurines, this printer handled everything with ease. So, what's the bottom line? The Creality CR10 Southeast may not be the CR10 you were expecting, but it's still a fantastic printer in its own right. With its combination of speed, precision, and ease of use, it's perfect for hobbyists and entrepreneurs alike. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest critiques of the latest tech. Until next time, happy printing!